Quiz. This quiz has 10 questions. In each question, you will hear 4 words. 3 of the words are the same. 1 of the words is different from the other 3. For each question, select the answer A, B, C, or D that corresponds to the one word which is different from the others. You will hear each word spoken only one time, so you'll need to listen carefully. Save, save, shave, save. She, see. Ship, sip, sip. Sue, shoe, sue. Shock, sock. Bass, bash, bass. Fished, fist. Gas, gash. Mash, mass. Was, wash. This is the end of the quiz.